Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Alex JT here with a bike check video. Today is kind of a different video because the day kind of passed. Nothing happened today. This was kind of an off day. I had to go to school and stuff, so just thought I'd make a quick video to keep the roll going. So it's a bike check video. So here's my bike. Focus. This is a Scotty Cranmer inspired bike theme. Okay. But I have the Scotty Cranmer Jackson bars on it, black. I had the silver ones, or the chrome ones, but decided to switch it to black. I think it kind of ties up the rest of the bike better. I have the Snafu magical forks here. Those are really good forks. I've had them for forever. I've had no problem with it whatsoever. Hyper Wizard frame, jet fuel. I had a Haro Downtown, a black one, but the frame snapped right here at the head tube weld, and this frame has been amazing. Lightweight, looks amazing. The dimensions of it are perfect. I just love the frame all around. Got Odyssey Evo 2 U-brake set in the back right here. I have Odyssey cables, gyro cables with the Odyssey gyro right here, and I think this is a Snafu gyro plate. And then this is a Odyssey front or top load stem. Not too sure on the millimeters of it, but we have Salt Plus wheels. And I kind of customized this front wheel here. Just got a bunch of drew on it with a silver marker. Same with the back wheel. We have a Salt Plus wheel. They came in a wheel set, and I was gonna upgrade them to better hubs and everything, and rims, but I've had no issues whatsoever. They're sealed hubs, sealed bearings. They've been working perfect. Odyssey pedals. Once these break, I'm gonna get the Snafu anorexic pedals. Salt Plus crank set with I want to say an Odyssey bottom bracket in there. Had no problems with that. Sealed bottom bracket. Works perfect on Odyssey seat post with the Odyssey seat right there. Pivotal. And then I have the Shadow Separin, I want to say that's how you say it. Featherweight tires. This one's like almost flat right now because I ran over a goat head or something. This one's good. Those have been perfect tires. I love the thickness of them. I think they're 2.3 thickness, I want to say. Good thickness. I just love it in general. These are Odyssey grips. They work perfect. I've had them on for a while and they're still going perfectly fine. And pretty sure that's about everything on it. I've got a Sunday sprocket, a big thick Sunday sprocket with a half-length mission chain. I've actually had this mission chain for almost 2 years now of riding, and it's perfectly fine. It has not snapped yet. Somehow I'm going to upgrade that to a Shadow Supreme chain, half-length, get that all upgraded. And then yeah, that's a quick bike check. The last thing is we have Salt Plus pegs. I run 2 pegs only for the right side because I normally ride park, but I ride street too. We only have one skate park here in Canyon. I don't really travel around that much, but other than that, that's the bike check. It's Scotty Cranmer inspired bike. That's very similar to a few of his bikes. But other than that, that's the bike check real quick. Thought it'd be real quick since last time I did a bike check was like, I don't even know if I have done a bike check on this YouTube channel, but So there's a quick bike check for you. We did launch Coke bottles off of Skyline. That was pretty fun. It was hard to clean up, but it was fun. So I'll post a little clip in that right after this clip. Post that clip of us shooting some Coke bottles off Skyline, then I'll be back to wrap up the video. Smells like he's burning one.
Yeah, he is.
I don't think you got it. Oh, dude.
It explodes right while he's holding it.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude, Paul. Don't Paul me.
I have no clue where that went.
Dude, that was like... That's what we were talking about yesterday.
Yeah, dude.
Give me
Breen hits the car on accident.
Dude, I thought for sure that something bad was gonna happen.
Alright, you gotta like line them up and then just boom.
My hands are so cold. You told me. Oh, Paul. That hurt. It hurt? Yeah. So fucking mental. My hands are cold. Oh, you missed one. Oh, no spillage. Spillage, alright, ready? I wonder if I can hit it against that and it goes that way.
Maybe.
It's gonna fucking fall with the water rocket right to us. My hands.
That's Tyler.
That was a fail. We needed to go straight up, actually. We needed to go like off the edge.
Let me see, let me try it.
Another one like yesterday.
Let me try it. But no, you put the stuff in and then close it and then I'll throw it. You do the hard work.
Cold much? Yeah. Aw, fuck.
Ah!
Get it!
Get it, babe!
Nah. Lost cause. Alex, dude.
What the heck?
Sorry, we had like more.
It was warm earlier. Fuck. More Mentos.
Yo, my hands are so cold.
Yeah, you need to go like this when you're not.
I hope he does. Fucking runs the stop sign and gets T-boned. Right. Hurry up, all my hands, bro. Ah, you fucked. You
That's
fucked
only one.
it.
That's only
You
one.
blocked
Huh?
it.
Wait a minute.
It's only one, huh?
That's two.
That's two? Alright.
Not his car.
Oh! It sprayed the camera. Thank you guys for watching the video. I've been trying to post every day. I'm gonna keep it trying to do that no matter what. So, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like the video, please, and subscribe. That'd help a lot. And stay tuned for another video tomorrow. It'll be posted a lot earlier than this one. Later.